Kamishita from Kamishita's Corner and Sensational Touch. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, I'm asking that you please click that subscribe button and also click the notifications bell so that when I upload a video, you will be sure to receive a notification. Okay, so I am cutting pink sugar soap today. I made pink sugar not a couple of days ago, a day ago. I made this on Saturday. Excuse the noise outside. I'm always working next to my window with my window open and I get lots of noise. So this pink sugar was made a day ago and I am cutting it today. And I made this pink and white. So it's a nice pink and white swirl that I did. And I'm excited to see how that swirl came out. Now I put some titanium dioxide to make this a nice white soap, and so that the pink and the white were shown, like you can see it really well. And pink sugar has a high vanillin content. And for those who don't know, what that just means is when you use it, it's going to turn your white soap a brown color. So as you can see, the top of the soap looks really brown. So I'm hoping that the inside is not as brown. Of course it won't be because it hasn't touched the air yet. But I'm also hoping that it doesn't get that brown once it goes through a full cure. So it all remains to be seen. Alrighty guys, so I will be giving a new soap making class, beginner soap making class, where you can learn how to make your very own soap in your very own home for pennies on a dollar, staying safe, being able to formulate your own recipe, and making soap in your very own home by yourself. That's going to be this month, August the 29th. That's August the 29th. That is a Saturday. The class starts at 12:30. So if you're interested in learning how to make soap, you can do so. That is going to be an in-person class. So please do come with your long sleeves. Please do come. Oh, look at the inside of that. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Catch the light. You can see that's a beautiful swirl. And I'm hoping the inside doesn't get dark like this, because then that swirl is not going to show up as well. But I fear that it may. Well, the sides didn't get dark. And the back didn't get dark. Only the top. So maybe it won't. Maybe the inside will also stay a nice white, so that you can see that beautiful pink swirl. But I am going to take off these other bars. Yes, so that class will happen in person, 12:30. I will be putting out information on how to register for that. It will be happening in Brooklyn, New York. It will be an in-person class, so you will be coming with your mask. And if you don't have a mask, well, let me not say that, because I really don't have masks to give out. Please come with your mask. That will be Saturday, the 29th of August. I love these swirls. Trying to catch that light so that you can see it. Beautiful swirl. So yes, if you're interested in learning how to make soap on your own, you've never made it before, or maybe you have made it before and you want to take a refresher course, by all means. For those who have taken the course already and just want a refresher course, you can do that. And for those who have never taken the class before and you want to learn how to make soap all by yourself, handmade, natural, wonderful soap, you can do so by taking the course. I took my very own course a good, might be 7 years ago now, and I've been making soap ever since, and I love it. I love it dearly. It's actually semi-addicting when I get into the, oh, if you hear all that noise, that's my television. I apologize. I didn't know that it was so loud. Well, it wasn't loud until just now. It's like I was watching, if anybody knows Dimus Demir, they know that music. That's his channel I was watching. Anyway, I think that's going off. I'm hoping that it doesn't, another one doesn't come on too loud if it does, because it's just going to keep playing. Okay, so I got a little bit of non-mixed soap there. To make the pink, of course, I mixed red with white, and I see a little red streak. It's just some color that didn't mix in very well, unfortunately. I'm not happy to have seen that, but it's just one little part. Okay, here we go. So we have, I'm going to cut these two here. So this is pink sugar, and I'm going to be making some pink sugar body butter to match. And of course we will be, I'm not going to do a pink sugar lotion. I will not do a pink sugar lotion, but I will do a pink sugar body butter. And these are the last two slices. So if you want to, interested in taking that class, look out for the advertisements. This is the end piece, so this is the side that has the pretty swirl on it. Look out for the advertisement for that. And if you are interested in getting some lovely handmade pink sugar soap, you can catch the pre-order, which always comes with a discount of $1 off the online price. You can just email me at kamishida@kamishidascorner.com, and I will send you an invoice. You can buy 1, 2, 3 bars, as many bars as you like. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing your comments. I hope that you will share this video, and I hope that you will like it, because I like making them for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video.